the most anticipated event in the world of medicine. An unprecedented workshop. A unique experience in the field of medicine. UltraDissection brings you an integral study of pain, discussing the subject through the lens of the different medical specialties. It will combine the fields of anatomy, echoanatomy, and fluoroscopy. You will work with cadavers preserved in theo, almost undistinguishable from live bodies. An experience where you can immerse yourself in the most advanced knowledge from the most qualified experts. A workshop where the doctors at the top of their fields from all over the world will meet. And much more. This is a course especially recommended for physical therapists, radiologists, algologists, and anesthesiologists, but is also of interest for other specialties. Live models to compare with the practices with cadavers. You will practice with the most advanced technologies available. Are you still thinking about it? The places are limited. To make a reservation for the event, go to www.ultradissection.com or email info@ultradissection.com.